Hey Fragrance family, I'm David and I'm a Fragrance Bro, of course your best source for everything fragrance related, and look what I have here, a new box from Creed. Now they occasionally send me boxes of new things that are coming out. If you're already following Creed, you probably know what this is, so it's probably not a big surprise. It is their new Amber Universe, Delphinus and Centaurus, which look very cool. Love the new kind of artwork there, really cool. They always get just the aesthetics just right. I think that is so cool. They say Centaurus is blazing and wild, harnessing the energy of cosmos. And Delphinus is shimmering and mystical, capturing a soft glow of the stars. They also go on to say these two new star-powered creations explore different amber textures, from rich woods and hints of honeyed sweetness to supple leathers and sumptuously soft vanilla. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and check this out. Well, one more ado, I guess. Of course, they always send me a little card that says what they've got, and I just want to show this because it's so cool how they just do things. They got, I mean, this is like a billboard texture here. This is super thick, really cool. All right, now without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it here. Hopefully I can get this box open. They have these pretty tight, and I don't think I'm going to. I'm gonna have to cut it. Oh, no, got it. Whew, that made me sweat a little bit, to be honest. All right, now let's open this up. And I did open this earlier just to take a look here. But man, the presentation is so good on these. All right, so, wow, forgot that. 100 ml bottle of each. And I've got a little travel sprayer. Really cool. Let me go ahead and open that real quick here. These are always so cool. I love these. They look great. They're the perfect size for travel. And they're very heavy and they're easy to refill too. So you just take these out. You take the top off the sprayer and then you put this on the little straw and then you can plunge down on the sprayer and it fills right up. So yeah, these are awesome. Love these. And I got a little bag here, which these are okay. It's nice that I have one, I guess. You can just put the bottle in there, I guess. It doesn't really do much there, but just kind of holds it together, but still pretty cool. Just a thought that counts. Now, let's get straight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Centaurus first. I don't really know if there's a male and female version of these or if they're just unisex fragrances marketed as such. I think they're just unisex, just looking at them. So I'm gonna go with Centaurus first. Really cool box as always. Not as special as some of the other boxes like the Green Irish Tweed and stuff like that, but still really cool. Oh, got some detritus on there. Very cool. Really cool bottle. Simple, classic. Really love that a lot. And of course, they've upgraded everything in recent years to a nice top on there and great sprayer. All right, so I'm going to give this a spray. I'm not going to give my full thoughts because I'm going to have reviews of both of these coming soon. Let me go ahead and give this a spray. Wow, that's good. That is going to be a keeper. To me, I smell tobacco, vanilla, and spice in there. I've smelled other fragrances that are maybe similar to this. I think one that immediately comes to mind is Triumph of Bacchus by Argos. That to me kind of has a similar feel, but there's something else in here that kind of lifts it up, makes it a little bit more fresh. So I'm excited to see where that goes. That is awesome. Right away, really excited about that. Now let's try Delphinus. 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 Orange this time, really cool. That is like Starburst Lifesaver Orange. That is a nice orange. Same bottle as always, so let me give that a shot here. So let me go ahead and sample this. Okay, right away, this one smells much more feminine, and this one smells much more masculine. This one has a lot more floral presence and more of a sweet forward note. There's also maybe a little bit of fruitiness in there, so I'm really excited to see how that goes too. All right, really excited about these. Really cool to see how this line is developing. Newer fragrances. I think this is already a great release by Creed. So I will say with confidence that Creed has great fragrances, new fragrances coming out. They always do. Sometimes they're a little shaky, but these are fantastic. So definitely check out Centaurus and Delphinus.
With that, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Fragrance X. Fragrance X is an online reseller that sells thousands of legitimate products for a discounted cost. If you're considering buying a fragrance, definitely check out Fragrance X. I'll have a link down below to them as well as a coupon. But also check out Rakuten.com. Rakuten.com is a website that offers you a rebate with every purchase that you make through their website. They actually have a deal with Fragrance X that offers you a certain percentage in rebates just by buying through Rakuten. So I'll have a link down below to them as well. Definitely check out Fragrance X and Rakuten together. Great.
And stay tuned. I've got reviews coming of this soon, so stay tuned. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros.